Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring the top 5 best mini PC of 2025. These compact yet powerful devices are revolutionizing the way we experience entertainment and productivity. From superior performance to sleek designs, these mini marvels are packed with features that will leave you impressed. Stay tuned till the end to discover a surprise feature that sets one of these mini PC TVs apart from the rest. For more information and the most up-to-date pricing, be sure to check the links in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 5. Apple Mac Studio Mini PC. This compact powerhouse, supercharged by the M2 Max chip, promises to transform your workspace. Let's explore its standout features and see why it's embraced by creative pros everywhere. The Apple Mac Studio Mini PC is designed to deliver lightning-fast performance with the M2 Max chip. Boasting a 12-core CPU and up to a 38-core GPU, it handles even the most demanding tasks effortlessly. With up to 96 GB of unified memory and 400 GB memory bandwidth, it's a true workhorse. Despite its powerful performance, the Mac Studio Mini PC is remarkably compact. Its sleek design allows it to fit seamlessly into any workspace, transforming your setup into a professional studio. This small form factor doesn't compromise on power, making it perfect for both home and office use. Connectivity is key, and the Mac Studio Mini PC doesn't disappoint. It features an array of ports, including Thunderbolt, HDMI, and USB-C, ensuring you can connect all your peripherals with ease. Whether you're working on creative projects or multitasking, you'll have everything within easy reach. At the core of the Mac Studio is the M2 Max chip. This next-generation chip integrates the CPU, GPU, I/O, and neural engine into a single SoC, delivering exceptional performance per watt with high-efficiency cores and accelerated machine learning tasks. It's designed for speed and efficiency. Creative professionals love the Mac Studio for its ability to tackle challenges of any size. From music production to video editing, the M2 Max chip provides the power needed for professional quality work. Its groundbreaking performance and efficiency make it a favorite among creatives. There you have it, the Apple Mac Studio Mini PC. Its powerful M2 Max chip, compact design, extensive connectivity, and outstanding performance, it's a must-have for anyone seeking a top-tier desktop solution. Number 4. Minisforum Neptune HX100G Mini PC. This powerful mini desktop packs a punch with its impressive specs and features. Let's explore its key highlights and see why it's a fantastic option for your computing needs. The Minisforum Neptune HX100G Mini PC is equipped with an AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS processor. This 8-core, 16-thread beast runs up to 4.9 GHz, using the Zen 3 Plus architecture. It's perfect for heavy computing tasks and multitasking, making it suitable for gaming, image editing, and more. Featuring AMD Radeon RX 6600M graphics with RDNA 2 architecture, the HX100G delivers high refresh rates and realistic gaming experiences. The 8GB GDDR6 discrete graphics ensure smooth performance, whether you're gaming or working on creative projects. Enjoy top-notch visuals and efficiency in a compact form. The HX100G supports multiple monitors with 4 video outputs, 2x HDMI and 2x USB 4. This setup provides a larger field of view, boosting your work efficiency. USB 4 ports also enhance data transfer speeds and graphics performance, making it ideal for various applications. This mini PC comes with 64GB DDR5 RAM and a 512GB NVMe 4.0 SSD, expandable up to 2TB. DDR5 memory and superfast PCIe 4.0 SSD ensure smooth software operation and ample storage for your movies, photos, and more. Say goodbye to storage limitations and hello to seamless performance. Package, you'll find the HX100G Mini PC, an HDMI cable, a mount support, a US power adapter, and a manual. Everything you need to set up and start using this powerful mini PC is included, ensuring a hassle-free experience right out of the box. Wraps up our review of the Minisforum Neptune HX100G Mini PC. Its powerful performance, discrete graphics, multiple monitor support, and expandable storage, it's a top-tier choice for anyone seeking a robust and compact computing. Number 3. Minisforum 790 Mauritanian Ugias Pro Mini PC. With cutting-edge performance and compact design, this mini PC is perfect for both work and play. Let's explore its key features and see why it stands out in the crowded market of mini PCs. At the heart of the 790 Mauritanian Ugias Pro is the AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor. With 8 cores and 16 threads, it runs at a base clock of 4.0 GHz, boosting up to 5.2 GHz. Thanks to the latest Zen 4 architecture, it offers a 14% improvement in single-core performance over its predecessor. The 790 Mauritanian Ugias Pro is equipped with AMD Radeon 780M graphics, built on the RDNA 3 architecture. It delivers ultra-high frame rates and advanced content creation features, making it a powerhouse for high-performance gaming and creative tasks. The graphics capabilities ensure smooth and stunning visuals for all your needs. This mini PC supports up to 4 monitors simultaneously, with 2x HDMI and 2x USB 4 ports. The USB 4 interface allows a single cable to drive a 15W mobile display. Enjoy a larger and wider field of view to boost your productivity and multitasking capabilities. The 790 Mauritanian Ugias Pro comes with 32GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, expandable up to 4TB. 2 PCIe 4.0 SSD slots provide ample space for your software, movies, and photos. With such capacity and speed, you'll never have to worry about storage limitations again. Equipped with a 2500 megabits per second LAN port, the 790 Mauritanian Ugias Pro expands its networking capabilities significantly. It supports features like Auto Power On, PXE Boot, WOL, and RTC Boot. Enjoy faster file transfers and improved network performance for various applications, including software routers and firewalls. There you have it, the Minisforum 790 Mauritanian Ugias Pro Mini PC. With its powerful processor, advanced graphics, multiple monitor support, expansive storage, and high-speed LAN, it's a top-tier choice for anyone seeking a compact yet robust computing solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 2. Beelink U59 Mini PC. This compact yet powerful device offers impressive performance and versatility, making it perfect for various tasks. Let's dive into its key features and see why the Beelink U59 is a fantastic choice for your computing needs. The Beelink U59 Mini PC is equipped with the 11th Jasper Lake processor N5105. This low-power desktop platform processor runs at 2.0 GHz and can boost up to 2.9 GHz. It ensures stable performance for business office tasks, home entertainment, and HTPC applications, making it a reliable choice for daily use. With 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 500GB M.2 SATA SSD, the Beelink U59 offers ample storage and smooth multitasking capabilities. The storage is expandable up to 2TB with a SATA HDD, providing flexibility to accommodate your growing data needs. It's a storage solution you can count on. The Beelink U59 supports triple screen displays with dual HDMI ports and a Type-C port. This feature significantly enhances work efficiency by allowing you to multitask across 3 screens. The Intel HD graphics ensures high-definition images and video playback, making it perfect for media consumption and productivity. Connectivity is key, and the Beelink U59 doesn't disappoint. It includes Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2 for USB 3.0 ports, 2 HDMI ports, an audio jack, a DC jack, a Type-C port, and 2 RJ45 ports. Efficient heat dissipation helps cool down the hardware, reducing potential wear and tear. Beelink stands behind its products with a 1-year warranty and 24-hour technical support. Its commitment ensures you have the assistance you need, whenever you need it. It adds an extra layer of reliability, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. That wraps up our review of the Beelink U59 Mini PC. With its excellent performance, versatile storage options, triple screen support, and robust connectivity, it's a standout choice for anyone seeking a compact yet powerful computing solution. Number 1. Apple Mac Mini PC. the incredible new Apple Mac Mini PC. With its sleek design and powerful performance, the Mac Mini is set to redefine your desktop computing experience. Let's explore its key features and see what makes this mini powerhouse so impressive. At just 5 by 5 inches, the Mac Mini is a marvel of engineering. Don't be fooled by its compact size. This mini desktop packs a punch with the redesigned Apple Silicon, unlocking the full potential of the M4 chip. It's pure power in a tiny package. Designed to fit perfectly next to your monitor, the Mac Mini is incredibly versatile. Its small footprint means it can be placed just about anywhere, making it an ideal choice for both work and play. Say goodbye to bulky desktops and hello to sleek sophistication. Connectivity is a breeze with the Mac Mini. It features Thunderbolt, HDMI, and Gigabit Ethernet ports on the back, plus front-facing USB-C ports and a headphone jack. Whether you're connecting peripherals or displays, you'll have all the ports you need at your fingertips. The heart of the Mac Mini is the powerful M4 chip, delivering spectacular performance. Every task feels snappy and fluid, from everyday computing to demanding applications. Experience the seamless integration of hardware and software that only Apple can provide. With Apple Intelligence, the Mac Mini helps you write, express yourself, and get things done effortlessly. Groundbreaking privacy protections ensure your data stays secure, giving you peace of mind. Plus, all your favorite apps run lightning fast with the power of Apple Silicon. There you have it, the Apple Mac Mini PC, a compact powerhouse that combines stunning design with exceptional performance. If you're looking for a versatile and powerful desktop solution, the Mac Mini is definitely worth considering. So that wraps up our list of the best mini PC in 2025. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Contain Analysis family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.